Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off read receipts on Instagram using your Android device. To get started, open the Instagram app and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner, then tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Select Settings and Activity, then scroll down and tap Messages and Story Replies. Next, tap Show Read Receipts and turn the toggle off. Once disabled, other people won't be able to see when you've read their direct messages. Keep in mind that when you turn off read receipts, you also won't be able to see when others have read your messages. And that's it, you've successfully turned off read receipts on Instagram. Happy watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.